Speak Up English, the key to success.
You know, Rita, sometimes I can't help but feel that life is too short.
I get that, Jasvir. It's like there's so much to do and so little time.
Exactly. Do you ever think about what you'd do if you had more time, like an extra day in the week?
All the time. I'd probably learn a new language or pick up a musical instrument.
That's a great idea. Imagine serenading the ducks in this park with your violin skills.
Well, they'd either appreciate my music or swim away in a hurry.
I think they'd be your #1 fans.
Jasvir, what's something you've always wanted to do but haven't had the time for?
I've always wanted to travel more. There are so many places on my bucket list that I haven't seen yet.
Traveling is amazing. Where's the top destination on your list?
I'd love to explore the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu in Peru. The history and the breathtaking views fascinate me.
That sounds incredible. Let's make a pact, Jasvir. One day, we'll both go on our dream trips and share our adventures.
Deal, Rita. Life is too short to keep postponing our dreams.
You know, Jasvir, moments like these in the park, just chatting and enjoying the day, remind me that life is also about simple pleasures.
You're absolutely right, Rita. Life is too short to forget the joy in the everyday moments.
Jasvir, this botanical garden is such a hidden gem. I can't believe I've never been here before.
It's a peaceful oasis in the midst of the city. It's moments like these that make me appreciate life even more.
Look at these flowers, Jasvir. They're so beautiful, but they'll only bloom for a short while.
It's like life, isn't it? Fleeting but full of beauty and wonder.
It's like that quote, life is short, enjoy the little things. I think that's so true.
Absolutely. Speaking of little things, do you have any small daily rituals that bring you joy?
I do. Every morning, I have this ritual of making the perfect cup of chai. The smell and the first sip just make my day.
Ah, the simple pleasure of chai. It's amazing how something so small can set a positive tone for the day.
Jasvir, do you have a favorite small pleasure?
I love stargazing. Even in the city, I find a quiet spot, look up at the night sky, and feel a sense of wonder.
That's beautiful. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, and our worries are just a tiny speck in it.
Rita, you're absolutely right. Moments like these help us appreciate the beauty in the world and the brevity of life.
Jasvir, I'm grateful for moments like this, for our friendship, and for the reminder that life is too short not to cherish every day. Jasvir, this cafe has the coziest atmosphere. It's the perfect place to have a chat.
I couldn't agree more, Rita. It's the little things like this that make life enjoyable.
Jasphere, talking about life being short, it reminds me of a book I read recently about living with purpose.
Oh, that sounds intriguing. What's the key takeaway from the book?
The book emphasizes that to make the most of our lives, we should focus on what truly matters to us, our passions, and the people we care about.
That's a powerful message. It's so easy to get caught up in the routine and forget what brings us joy.
Speaking of joy, Jasphere, what's something you've always wanted to do that you haven't done yet?
Well, I've always wanted to volunteer at an animal shelter. I love animals, and it feels like a meaningful way to give back.
That's a wonderful goal, Jasphere. When do you plan to start?
Soon, Rita. Life's too short not to follow our passions.
I'm proud of you, Jasphere. I believe in following our dreams and making the most of our time.
Thanks, Rita. What about you? Is there something on your bucket list you want to tackle?
I've always wanted to learn to salsa dance. The music, the energy, it looks like so much fun.
Rita, you should definitely do it. Life is too short not to dance to your heart's content.
Jasphere, let's promise each other that we'll chase our dreams and live with purpose.
Absolutely, Rita. Life is too short for regrets. Rita, isn't this view spectacular? The city lights reflecting on the water, it's mesmerizing.
It truly is, Jasphere. Moments like these make you appreciate the beauty that surrounds us.
You know, Rita, I've been thinking about how we often get caught up in the past or worry about the future, but we forget to live in the present.
It's so true. We're constantly planning for tomorrow, but we should also savor today.
Rita, do you have any mindfulness practices that help you stay in the moment?
I've started practicing meditation recently. It's amazing how a few minutes of deep breathing can calm the mind.
That's wonderful, Rita. I've heard meditation has numerous benefits for mental well-being.
Jasphere, what about you? How do you stay present?
I love taking long walks like this one. It's a chance to disconnect from the digital world and just be in the moment.
That's a great practice, Jasphere. Life is too short not to appreciate the beauty of nature and the present moment. Listen to that music, Jasphere. It's another reminder of the beauty of life.
It is, Rita. Moments like these make you realize that life is a beautiful song, and we should dance to its rhythm.
Jasphere, the night sky is so vast and filled with wonders. It makes me feel small but connected to something greater.
It's like the universe is reminding us that our worries are just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things.
Jasphere, thinking about the universe and the brevity of life, I wonder if there's something beyond this existence.
It's a profound question, Rita. People have pondered it for centuries. Some believe in an afterlife, while others find meaning in the here and now.
I think it's essential to find meaning in the present, in the relationships we build and the experiences we have.
I couldn't agree more. Life is too short to postpone happiness and meaning.
Jasvir, make a wish.
I wish for a life filled with meaningful moments, shared with friends like you, Rita.
That's a beautiful wish, Jasvir. I wish for the same.
Rita, I'm grateful for this night and our conversations. Life is too short, but moments like these make it truly remarkable.
Jasvir, I feel the same way. Here's to savoring each moment and making the most of this beautiful life.